What is the purpose and use of kwargs? What are the uses for kwargs in Python? I know you can do an objects.filter on a table and pass in a kwargs argument. Can I also do this for specifying time deltas, i.e. timer delta hours equals time 1? How exactly does it work? Is it classified as unpacking? Like a, b equals 1, 2?
You can use kwargs to let your functions take an arbitrary number of keyword arguments. Kwargs means keyword arguments. You can also use the kwargs syntax when calling functions by constructing a dictionary of keyword arguments and passing it to your function. The Python tutorial contains a good explanation of how it works, along with some nice examples. Python 3 Update. For Python 3, instead of iteritems, use items.
Unpacking dictionaries. Unpacks dictionaries. This is the same as. It's useful if you have to construct parameters. Packing parameters of a function. Use .items instead of .iteritems for Python 3. This lets you use the function like this. Notes. Kwargs is variable name used for keyword arguments. Another variable name can be used. The important part is that it's a dictionary and it's unpacked with the double asterisk operator. Other iterables are unpacked with a single asterisk operator. To prevent confusion, it's probably best to stick with the recognized variable names, kwargs and args, for dictionaries and other iterables respectively. Resources. Pep 448, Additional Unpacking Generalizations, Real Python, Python args and kwargs, Demystified. What doing before a variable naming in a function signature?
Kwargs is just a dictionary that is added to the parameters. A dictionary can contain key, value pairs, and that are the kwargs. Okay, this is how. The what for is not so simple. For example, very hypothetical, you have an interface that just calls other routines to do the job. Now you get a new method drive. But wait a minute, there is a new parameter vehicle, you did not know it before. Now you must add it to the signature of the middle function. Here you can throw kwargs into play, you just add kwargs to the signature. This way you don't need to change the signature of your interface function every time some of your called routines might change. This is just one nice example you could find kwargs helpful.
On the basis that a good sample is sometimes better than a long discourse, I will write two functions using all Python variable argument passing facilities, both positional and named arguments. You should easily be able to see what it does by yourself. And here is the output.
Please watch more. Please watch our subscribe